Why you forget English words so quickly and how to remember them. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. Let me ask you something. Have you ever learned a new English word, used it perfectly yesterday, and then today, someone asks you what it means, and suddenly, nothing. You know you've seen the word before. You just can't remember it. If this happens to you, don't worry. Your memory isn't bad. And you're not bad at English. You're simply learning vocabulary in a way that makes your brain forget it. Today, I'll show you why this happens and how to make new English words stick in your memory. Let's start. Reason 1. You learn too many words at once. Imagine learning 50 new words today. It feels productive, but your brain doesn't have enough time to connect those words to real experiences. So a few days later, most of them disappear. Instead of learning 50 words, learn 5 or 10. Then use them, say them, write them, hear them. The goal isn't to collect words. The goal is to use them. Reason 2. You only see the word once. Seeing a word one time isn't enough. Your brain needs repetition. Think about a song you know by heart. You didn't memorize it after hearing it once. You heard it again, and again, and again. Vocabulary works the same way. When you learn a new word today, review it tomorrow. Then again after a few days. Then use it in a sentence. That repetition tells your brain, this information is important. Keep it. Reason 3. You memorize translations. This is a huge problem. If you learn an English word only by memorizing its meaning in your native language, your brain creates an extra step. English word, native language, meaning. Instead, try connecting the English word directly to an image or idea. For example, when you learn the word hungry, don't just memorize its translation. Imagine yourself sitting at a table, looking at food and feeling hungry. Now the word is connected to an experience. That's much easier for your brain to remember. Reason number 4, you don't use the words. This is probably the biggest reason. You learn a word, write it in your notebook, and never use it again. Of course your brain forgets it. So here's a simple rule. Use every new word at least 3 times. Say it, write it, and use it in a real sentence. For example, if you learn the word exhausted, don't just memorize it. Say, I'm exhausted after work. Then later, I was exhausted yesterday. Now the word becomes part of your active vocabulary. Here's a simple method you can start today. Every day, choose just 5 English words. For each word, first, understand it. Second, create your own sentence. Third, say the sentence out loud. Fourth, review the word tomorrow. And finally, try to use it in a real conversation. Do this consistently for 30 days. And you'll remember far more than if you simply memorize hundreds of random words. Remember, you don't need to learn more English. You need to remember and use more of the English you already learn. So the next time you forget an English word, don't get frustrated. Ask yourself, did I really use this word enough? Because vocabulary isn't a memory competition. It's a repetition game. Learn less, use more, repeat often. And slowly, those words will become automatic. Now tell me in the comments, what's one English word you learned recently but keep forgetting? Write it below. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speed English, and turn on the notification bell. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.